English conversation about new friends.
Hey, Leah, it's good to see you.
Me too. I haven't seen you in a few days. How are you? How's it going?
Not bad. I'm so busy with the classes I'm taking. How about you?
I'm okay. I know you are. Busy with classes, my job's really hectic this time of year too. What's new with you?
Nothing much. I'm on my way to the mall. I need some time off. Do you remember Lana? She's there. She's always at the mall. I think a lot of our friends plan to just hang out at the mall tonight.
Who? Oh yeah. I remember Lana. She's the one with the scary looking dog. I don't want to hang out with that dog.
You aren't afraid of that little tiny dog, are you? Well, I'm sure Rover isn't at the mall.
Actually, I'm headed to the mall later anyway. There's a huge sale going on. I think they are open extra late.
Great, maybe I'll see you there.
Sounds good. We're both good shoppers. If I get there before you leave, maybe I'll see you. After all, we aren't leaving until we see all the sales. And I'm not leaving until I have some cute new shoes.
Cooking tonight. Hello.
Honey, it's me.
Where are you?
At the station. I missed my train, so I'm going to be late.
Oh, that's too bad. Will you get back in time to pick up the kids?
I don't think so. Can you get them?
No problem.
Make sure they start their homework.
Don't worry. What time do you think you'll be home?
Probably in about an hour. How was your day?
Well, I worked for a few hours at the computer and then I got sleepy, so I took a nap.
You took a nap. You're so lucky you work at home. I can't take a nap in the office, you know.
But I also did the laundry and the dishes. You can't do those things at the office.
Well, that's true. Hey, what's for the dinner?
Chicken, it'll be ready when you get home.
I can't wait. I love your chicken.
And I love you. See you around 6:30.
I hope so. See you. Talking about TV. Did you see the last season or Game of Thrones?
Yep, I've got to say I'm a little disappointed. I thought it would be better.
Me too. It felt so rushed. They tried to do too much. But the special effects were amazing. I mean, that dragon scene was epic. It looked so real.
Shocking, wasn't it? They burned everyone alive.
Well, now that the season is done, I need something new to watch. Any recommendations?
Did you see Wu-Tang?
What's that? Wu-Tang, as in the rap group?
Yeah, they have a TV series. It's pretty cool. Not bad. It won't win any awards, but it's interesting to learn about them.
It's a documentary.
No, it's a drama, but it's based on real life.
Okay, so what's been your favorite TV show this year?
Definitely Mr. Robot.
Oh, yeah, it's quite good, isn't it? It really makes you think.
Yep, but probably we should be exercising more. Less TV, more exercise.
Going to the movies.
Hey, what's your plan? Tonight?
No plans. I think I will relax at home. Work was busy today.
I just got home too. Busy day. Do you want to go to the cinema? There's a great movie playing downtown.
What time? What movie?
Maybe at 7 or 8. Is it the new Iron Man movie? It look amazing.
Oh, Marvel. Actually, I hate Marvel. I never spend money on Marvel movies. They are too boring.
If you want, I will buy you a ticket. My treat.
No thanks. I really don't like Marvel.
Okay, I will also buy you popcorn and a drink.
I'm really not interested in Iron Man.
Okay, maybe I'll take you shopping after the movie?
Amazing, you are the best friend ever. Pick me up at 7:30.